Hello, my name is Nicholas Costin, and I would like to welcome you to my presentation. This is the second presentation in a series for the course EVSP 501 Environmental Management at American Public University. Today's date is August 25th, 2018. Today's topic for discussion is the management of the growing coyote population in Arizona in the face of continued urban sprawl. The instances of coyote attacks on humans, coyote sightings, and coyote attacks on pets are on the rise. Nationwide, there were 43 attacks on humans between 1990 and 2003. That number grew to 139 between 2004 and 2015. Studies also indicate that coyotes purposely choose high-density urban areas to hunt during the night. This causes potential conflict with humans. In fact, a recent study indicated that 80% of those urban areas classified as large and medium in terms of population have reported conflicts. Several stakeholder groups have been identified for this initiative. The first are the citizens of Arizona. With attacks on humans and domestic animals on the rise, citizens will have a vested interest in the project. The second group are hunters. As a group who could potentially assist with the situation, it will be important to take the opinions of hunters into consideration. Another group are animal rights activists. As a group who would have an interest in the chosen management method, it will be vital to have their support. Last, local resource managers will be important to consult, as they are the frontline folks who will be assisting in the implementation of this plan. The vision of this adaptive management initiative is to allow for ethical coyote management in Arizona in the face of urban sprawl. This plan will strive to achieve a balance between public education and other management action, where the ultimate result is a coexistence between urban coyotes and humans. The overarching goal of this initiative is to support the coexistence of humans and urban coyotes in the face of continuing and increasing urban sprawl and populations. In support of this goal, the following objectives have been identified. Objective 1 is to reduce the number of domestic pet losses by 10% or more within 5 years. Objective number 2 is to reduce the number of coyotes in the wildland-urban interface in an ethical manner by 10% or more within 5 years. Objective number 3 is to reduce the instances of human-coyote interactions to include sightings and attacks by 10% or more within 5 years. Each of these objectives is based in scientific research, where increases of domestic pet losses, increases in the population of coyotes in the wildland-urban interface, and increases of human-coyote interactions have been increasing in the past years. I'd like to thank you all for joining me today. These are the references for this presentation. Enjoy your day.